Hi, I'm Jen from Acadian Accounting Education, and today we are going to practice creating invoices. So if you would like to grab a copy of the exercise, be sure to click on the link in the description, and let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and create the invoice. Now, this exercise is being pulled from our Level 1 ProAdvisor certification course, which if you would like more information about that course after we go through the exercise, be sure to click on the link in the description. Let's dive in and read through today's scenario. Craig has already enabled online invoicing and asked you to help him create an invoice for a customer. Note that because you're working in the sample company, you won't be able to email the invoice to Diego. However, you can still generate it. So you'll need to be in the sample company to do this exercise. If you are not sure how to get into the sample company or get your own free QBOA account, be sure to click on the link in the description. I have the sample company here on the left side of my screen. Once you sign in, this is what it's going to look like. This is the dashboard. So let's go ahead and get started with the exercise. Now, there's a few things that you need to know here. The invoice is for Diego Rodriguez. The invoice is for the installation of 7 new fountains. Each fountain installation is $50, and Craig prefers the payment to be made within 30 days. So let's go ahead and create that invoice. The first thing that we need to do is click on the plus new button and then select invoice. So the plus new button is on the top left corner of the screen. Click on that. And then under customers is invoice. Now, once it comes up for us, we're going to go ahead and fill it out. In the customer field, we want to select Diego Rodriguez. So go ahead and click on the down arrow. You can see that he is the fourth one listed here. Go ahead and select that. You will notice that as soon as you select his name, all of this information is going to appear for you, including the terms, which is showing as net 30, which is what Craig wants. He wants him to pay it within 30 days. And so this net 30 term is exactly what we want. The invoice date is just going to default to today. We can leave that here for as is for the purpose of this exercise. Now, if you remember that this is for the installation, so on the first line in the product service field, we want to select installation. So if I scroll into here or scroll down and click into this field, you can either start typing it or you can scroll down to find it. Once you do, go ahead and select it. You'll see this description populate, which is fine. We need to change the quantity though because it was for 7. So go ahead and click into that quantity amount, type 7. When you hit that tab key, you will notice that QBO is automatically making the update because they are making the calculation. That rate of $50 is predefined based off of when this was set up in the product service list, but that is what Craig wants to charge. So we're going to leave that field as is. And then this is all looking good. So we can go ahead and just click on save and close. Now, if it was a real life scenario, you could actually click on save and send and it would send directly to the customer. But since we can't actually send those emails or send out those invoices via email in the sample company, we're just going to save and close. So click the down arrow next to that, select save and close. And there you go. You have now created an invoice. Now, if you like this exercise and you'd like to do more like it, or you would like more information about that Level 1 ProAdvisor certification course, be sure to click on the link in the description, and I will see you next time.